Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Hiboy Parts is probably one of the most crucial aspects of maintaining your electric scooter's performance and longevity, ensuring a smooth, safe, and enjoyable ride whether you're commuting to work or just cruising around town, and knowing which components to prioritize can save you both time and money in the long run. Number 5. Keenso Max G30 Scooter Shaft Locking Screw. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this screw is designed for exceptional wear resistance. Its robust construction ensures a long and reliable service life for your scooter. Experience superior control with its improved and reinforced design. This enhancement significantly reduces mechanical clearance, leading to better handling and increased robustness. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly convenient to carry. Weighing only about 32 grams and measuring 55 millimeters, it's an ideal accessory for on-the-go maintenance. Installation is straightforward and practical, thanks to the included accessories. You can quickly and easily secure your scooter's shaft without any hassle. Specifically designed for the Max G30 electric scooter, this locking screw ensures a perfect fit. It's the ideal replacement or upgrade for your specific model. What we like. This small but mighty component is crafted from high-quality carbon steel, ensuring exceptional wear resistance and durability for a long service life. Its improved design significantly enhances handling and reduces mechanical clearance, making your ride smoother and more stable. If you're looking to upgrade your scooter's stability and longevity with a simple, effective part, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source content. Unable to extract helpful points as the source was empty. Number 4. Universal Electric Scooter Solid Tires. Enhance your electric scooter's performance with these premium solid tires. They offer wide compatibility, fitting many popular models for a seamless upgrade. Crafted from robust, high-quality rubber, these tires are completely puncture-proof. Enjoy a smooth and stable ride without the worry of flats, perfect for everyday commutes. Featuring textured grooves, they provide excellent grip and stability on any surface. Ride confidently on both wet and dry roads, ensuring a comfortable and safe journey every time. Installation is straightforward. Just soften them in boiling water for 20 minutes, and refer to the detailed video guide. A mounting pry bar is even included to assist you. Your purchase comes with a warranty for complete peace of mind. Our dedicated customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. These solid tires offer unparalleled durability, being completely puncture-proof, which means no more flats or inconvenient roadside repairs. Their textured grooves provide excellent grip and stability on various terrains, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. If you're tired of dealing with punctures and want a maintenance-free, reliable tire for your daily commutes, these are designed for you. What people say. Number 3. Xiaomi Scooter Fender and Bracket Kit. Enhance your Xiaomi scooter's performance and protection with this essential accessory. It's designed to keep you clean and your ride smooth, no matter the weather. Made from high-density plastic, this kit offers exceptional toughness and wear resistance. It won't fade or deform, ensuring long-lasting reliability for your daily commutes. The rear fender effectively prevents mud and water from splashing onto your clothes. It also protects your tires from debris, keeping them in better condition during use. The robust bracket keeps the fender firmly in place, preventing jolting and sloshing on bumpy roads. It also safeguards the LED cable from potential damage, ensuring its longevity. Installing this kit is incredibly simple. Just use your scooter's existing bolts to attach it, making it a quick and hassle-free upgrade for your Xiaomi 1S, M365, or Pro. This replacement accessory is perfectly compatible with Xiaomi 1S, M365, and Pro electric scooters. It comes with all necessary parts for a full and secure installation. What we like. Made from high-density plastic, this accessory offers strong toughness and excellent wear resistance, preventing mud and water splashes effectively. The integrated bracket stabilizes the fender, eliminating sloshing and protecting your LED light cable from wear. If you ride in varied weather conditions and want to keep your clothes clean and your scooter's components protected, this is an essential upgrade. What people say. Number 2. VHBW 42V Hiboy Electric Scooter Charger. This 42V replacement charger is specifically designed for your Hiboy electric scooter. It ensures your ride is always ready for your next adventure, providing reliable power when you need it most. It works seamlessly with a wide range of Hiboy models, including S2, S2 Lite, S2 Pro, KS4, KS4 Pro, Max, Max 3, Max V2, NEX, NEX3, and NEX5. Please check your specific model for compatibility. Please note, this charger features a barrel-round plug tip. It is not compatible with 3-prong connectors or 24V, 25.2V, 29.4V, 48V, or 54.6V versions. Always verify your unit's requirements. With an input of AC 100-240V and an output of 42V2A, it charges efficiently. The generous 10-foot, 3-meter, cable provides ample reach, making charging convenient wherever you are. This power adapter is ETL, CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, ensuring top-tier safety. It includes overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection, keeping your scooter and home safe. A clear LED indicator shows charging status, red for charging in progress and green when fully charged or disconnected. This makes it simple to know when your battery is ready. VHBW offers a 45-day refund, 15-month exchange, and lifetime customer service. It also makes a thoughtful gift for friends and family who own a compatible Hiboy scooter. What we like. This charger is specifically designed for a wide range of Hiboy electric scooter models, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable power delivery. It boasts multiple safety certifications and built-in protections against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits, safeguarding your scooter's battery. If you need a dependable, safe, and compatible replacement charger for your Hiboy scooter, this one offers peace of mind and efficient charging. What people say. Number 1. Xiaomi Scooter Throttle Accelerator. Is your electric scooter's throttle worn out or broken? This replacement part is designed to bring back smooth and reliable speed control to your Xiaomi scooter. Crafted from high-quality ABS plus PC materials, it's built to last. This ensures it's sturdy, durable, and resistant to damage from daily use. Experience highly anti-corrosion and wear resistance for maximum durability. Its precise design allows you to easily control your scooter's speed with just your left thumb. Designed as an original standard replacement, it's perfectly compatible with Xiaomi 1S and M365 Pro electric scooters. You can directly replace your old or broken one without hassle. The easy-to-install interface means you can quickly wire it to your scooter. Get back on the road with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Don't let a faulty throttle slow you down. Upgrade your Xiaomi electric scooter with this reliable and durable replacement part. What we like. Crafted from high-quality ABS plus PC material, this accelerator is sturdy, durable, and highly resistant to corrosion and wear. Its precise design allows for easy and intuitive speed control with your thumb, enhancing your riding experience. If you own a compatible Xiaomi scooter and need a reliable, responsive, and easy-to-install replacement for your throttle, this part will restore your scooter's smooth operation. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.